Hi and welcome back. Today's video is a little bit different. It's not gardening, there's nothing outside. It's regarding this computer. This is an iMac 27-inch 5K Retina blah 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 mid 2015. We bought this in 2015. It came with 8 gig of RAM. That was using 2 memory card RAM slots in the back, because on these 27-inch models you can get to the back and replace the RAM, as it were. So previously I've added another 2 RAM cards into the back. They were both 4 gig each, so this computer is now running at 16 gig. We've upgraded our camera equipment. The drone we've got now is the Mavic Air, which shoots in 4K. The camera that's should arrive next week is 4K, and the action cam we've got is 4K. Now the Mac running Premiere Pro and Photoshop and Lightroom and all those kind of really large programs, it does get a bit sluggish, especially when you're sort of doing 4K. I mean, I was using the drone the other day, and just 4 short clips in 4K was 27 gig. Now, in a bid to get faster computer, the other day I added a SSD external hard drive, which plugs in on the Thunderbolt connection at the back. So with that, I've cloned the hard drive that's on the computer onto the SSD, and I'm now using that as the boot disk. So basically everything on here is now running off the external hard drive, and I must say it is much quicker. The computer boots up quicker, everything is just quicker. I didn't want to go down the route of putting the SSD into the actual computer itself, because you've got to take all the screen off, and I just wasn't in the mood for doing all that. So this is the next best thing. We've got the SSD sat around the back on a shelf. That is the boot up drive with the operating system on it. So that means I've got the original terabyte hard drive. I've also got another lacy, rugged terabyte hard drive for external storage. So we're going to see how it goes. But now I've got 2 packs of these. This is memory upgrades from Crucial, premium memory. This is a 16 gig kit. I've got 2 of those, another one here. So we've got 4 slots in the computer, 4 of these, 8 gig each. That is pretty much maximum for this computer, as far as I'm aware. I'm not a computer geek. I don't go on forums and this, that and the other. I went onto the Crucial website because I'm reading that Crucial is quite reliable memory. When you go on their website, you can download a scan tool which scans your computer, brings up exactly what it is and what you can upgrade it to. So it said for maximum for this is 32 gig. So I've got 2 16 gig kits, and I shall now show you how to change it. This is rather straightforward. But first of all, I'll show you on the computer how to find out what memory you've got, and take it from there. So click top left about this Mac, and that will show this box here, and there you can see what memory the computer's running. Click on the memory, and that shows you what slots are used. So that's all 4 slots, 4 gig per slot. So we'll close that up. So now I've shown you that, I'm going to shut the computer down, unplug everything off the back and spin it round. So we'll spin to that. So with the Mac spun round, we've unplugged the power port. Now just at the top of the power port, on this little circle, there's a little button which we can press. I'm just going to use the end of those tweezers. So push that in, and that pops this cover off. So just take the cover off and lay that down. Now you've got 2 tabs. Push them to the outsides, and that pulls down. And there you can see you've got your 4 memory cards. So here's a slightly better view. these tabs here, push down, and that just drops out like that. So now you can pull these cards out, and because I'm changing all 4, I'm just going to pull them all out and swap them over. So after a bit of a struggle, I've got these out. Now, pay attention to which way they come out, because they've got a groove in them, which I think the new ones have too. So I'm now going to replace the those with them. So now they're all in. What we'll do is push this back in, and that clicks in place. Just make sure they're all home. Put the cover back on. That's that. I'm going to wire it all up and switch it back on. So now it's moment of truth time. Fire it back up. Pop in the password. And there we go. We're up and running. Oh, put the mouse up the right way, it works better. Yeah, that opens straight away. So now I'm going to click on About This Mac. So same as last time, About This Mac, that'll bring up this box. Now it's showing the memory at 32 gig. Click on the memory, all 4 slots are occupied, 8 gig per slot. So we'll just go back to there, it's all looking good, close it down. So that's it for today's computer antics. Break from the norm, not exactly gardening related, but as we've upgraded our gear, we need better performing computers. That's basically what we've done it for. So now we're running at 32 gig of RAM, operating systems on an SSD hard drive, which is a lot quicker. And all in all, well recommended. I'll put plenty of links in the description below where I got the bits from. There'll be affiliate links, so take you straight to Amazon or wherever. I'll put a link to the Crucial website as well. So I hope you found this video interesting. Please click the thumbs up if you did. And I would say subscribe for more, but most of our videos are sort of for gardening. But you can subscribe if you like. Bye for now.